All right, what do we have today? Oh, noise canceling earbuds. Let me try these on real quick. Okay, nice. Okay. These are great.
Hey Devin, we're actually having Nico host today's episode.
These really work. I can't hear anything. I love noise canceling earbuds that actually work. So stick around, you guys. I'm unboxing these bad boys on today's episode.
Hey Devin, I said we're not having you host today's episode. It's gonna be Nico.
How's it going, everyone? I'm Devin Howard. Thanks for tuning in for another episode of Unbox This. If you're not following me on Instagram, you can find me there as @DevinHoward. Today we're unboxing the Bose noise canceling quiet comfort earbuds. Get the silence you crave. What are you doing here?
They didn't tell you I was hosting today's episode?
Nico, that is literally not true. Please, let me do my job. Get out of here. Come on. All right, you guys, let's talk about these earbuds. The Bose noise canceling earbuds effectively block out noise from the world around you, so you can just focus on your music, podcast, or your phone calls. You can switch between two modes depending on how much of the world you want to hear, and Active Sense automatically adjusts how much noise is canceled out depending on how loud your outside environment is. So let's get into the unboxing. It is time to unbox this. All right, you guys, let's do this. So we have a nice little peel here. No box cutter required. Excellent. Now let's open them up. Wow, okay. Here we have the carrying case, decent size. You can easily throw this into a purse or backpack, and then it looks like it'll pop right open. Ooh. Look at that. Okay, so here we have the earbuds. They have an interesting design. I feel like they would hook into your ears very easily and stay there. I always hate it when my earbuds fall out of my ears. These just seem like they'd be really sturdy. Okay, let's see what else comes in the box. Okay, for starters, we have the user manual here. And then these are the important safety instructions. You also get some different sized ear tips. So if you have big ears or small ears, you should find a size that works for you. And then here we have a USB to USB-C cord. All right, that's everything that comes in the box, so let's clear off the table and then we'll talk about the details of the Bose noise canceling quiet comfort earbuds. Okay, the first thing that I want to do is pull one of the earbuds out of this case because it comes with this silicone ear tip that blocks out some noise, but it's the acoustic noise canceling technology that really puts in the work. Now, there are actually microphones that are hidden in the earbuds that monitor environmental sounds and then produce the opposite signal to get rid of that excess noise. Bose has spent decades researching this technology, and now we finally get to enjoy it in all its glory. So you can choose between two different modes. Quiet mode mutes the world around you, while aware mode allows you to hear the outside environment without it overpowering your music or podcast. Active Sense technology automatically adjusts the amount of noise cancellation to turn the sounds around you down to a more comfortable level. You also get high fidelity audio no matter the volume. On most earbuds, bass disappears completely when you lower the volume, leaving your music sounding tinny and small. Bose created a solution for this with their volume optimized active EQ. It boosts highs and lows for consistent balance no matter how loud or soft you're listening to your music. You have the freedom to change songs, adjust volume, answer calls, and flip between quiet and aware mode with simple taps and swipes on the earbud. They're also durable. They earned an IPX4 rating for durability, with specially designed acoustic mesh in the ports to keep out moisture and debris, so your sweat from a tough workout or a rainy day won't send your earbuds spiraling out of control. You can listen for up to 6 hours on a single charge, and the case holds an additional 2 charges. They're also Bluetooth 5.1 compatible and will pair automatically with known devices. If you guys want to block out the noise, shop the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Devin Howard. Thanks for watching. We just unboxed this. Bye, guys.